Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, let's spill some tea on Oeyes and my first sponsorship and how it gone wrong. So if you guys want to see everything about this, then definitely keep on watching. Alright guys, so I never thought that I'd have to make a video like this, and I'm kind of embarrassed that I had to make a video like this. So as much as I, in my preppy, funny, goofy self, I'm gonna be kind of serious in this video because this is actually a serious matter and it's one that I'm frankly pissed off about. So I want to say, we're gonna go back to the facts here. I want to say, what was it, like a month ago? I was contacted by them? About a month ago, July 29th. Well, actually a month ago, I was reached out by a company called Oeyes. And for this person's sake, I will not say who this person has reached out to me, but it says, "Hi, my name is blank and I'm the marketing manager of Oeyes. I saw your YouTube channel and thought you'd make a great match as an ambassador for our clothing. Maybe you could take a look at our site and see if you could agree. If you're interested in becoming an ambassador, here are the next steps," and tells me all the steps to do it. And that they were going to offer a paying video for me to do a review on their channel or do a review of my channel. And I was like, oh, it's like a paid opportunity. Like, I thought you just wanted me to buy your clothes and become an ambassador that way. And I was like, I'm not just gonna buy your clothes just to get a discount code. Like, I'm not all about that. But they replied back to me and said that they want to know what my price is for an unboxing video and how long my length would be, and if the video duration is too short, then it's not conducted for promoting their brand. So I wrote back, said, "Hey blank, I hope you're having a great morning. So the length of the video would determine exactly what it is you're looking for. On average, my videos tend to be about 20 minutes long. If that's good for you, then we can go from there. What are you looking for in this video? What ideas do you have in mind? As for rates, well, I'm honestly open to suggestions. What do you have in mind? I look forward to hearing from you. Sincerely, Ali Dawson." So I have never been in a sponsored video before. Like, I've never been offered a sponsor before, or I've never been asked to do a paid review before, ever. So I actually had no idea how much I should charge for my rate because I've never been asked that question before, and I was like, I can't believe a company wants to pay me to do a review. Like, I'm still gonna be open and honest if I get paid. So I wrote that to them, and they wrote back saying, "Hi, if you can make the video the length 10 to 20 minutes, we'll consider giving you a $120 rate and a $100 gift card. In the video, I suggest that you can go from unpacking to trying on, and you could add our links in the video. You could add our links to the video so that the viewers can click on a link to purchase after seeing recommendation. We'll provide you with a special code. Fans can use this code for every order, and they can get 15% discount, and you could also get a certain amount from it. This is our preliminary suggestion. You can look at it and communicate with me in time. Look forward to your reply." So I wrote back, "Hello, I'd be more than happy to make the length for you guys. I will be honest, it'll honestly be more towards 20 minutes size. I hope that's okay. I'd be happy to unbox, try and add links with descriptions about the company and the clothes I picked. Not to mention, I'll link everything in the description box. The discount code is perfect. You just gotta let me know what the name of the code would be. Also, the price works for me as well. As soon as I receive the package, I'll have the video up within 36 hours, if not less. Let me know if you have any questions or how you want to proceed forward. Thank you so much and look forward to working with you. Sincerely, Ali Dawson." So he writes back, says, "Ali Dawson, thanks for your interest in incorporating with Oeyes. Now that the following information is having an agreement from two sides to have a long-term cooperation. Please read the information clearly and reply to our email and press agree to the terms. As long as you reply with agree, we'll send you the $100 e-gift card and to shop Oeyes for free, and also pay you a $100.20 rate after we confirm the video." So they send me like a whole information on how Oeyes works, how you earn your benefits, responsibilities for you, and how to start step by step. Now, I have two affiliate codes. I have it with Teamy Blends and I have it Bling Brushes. And both websites, you know what? I actually have one now for Dollar Beauty. All three websites sent me this one website called affiliate.com where you can go and check out how your promotional code is selling and how you can see what type of commission you're making off of these codes. One site for all three businesses that I'm a part of. This company wanted me to sign up for Oeyes.reversion.com to get a customary link, and I have to pay to be a part of this program. Like, it's a referral link where I would get my AdSense or my money off of, or my commission off of what you guys buy on this website, but I had to pay to be part of it. No. I'm not paying to be part of some website. If you want to send me money, either you're gonna do it through PayPal or sign me up for this affiliate company like every other company's ever worked for has signed me up for, not something that I had to physically pay to be part of. I should have known then that that was sketch, And I didn't look into it too far because at that time, like I said, I'm very new. I don't know exactly what it is I'm doing. I don't have a manager. I do everything on my own. I respond to all the business emails on my own. So this is all me doing. And I was putting all my trust in this company. So I read that email and I replied back, "Hey blank, I agree and I look forward to working with you. You can use this email to send the e-gift card because I'm going to use this email to register my account. My social media on Instagram is @AllieAnn and my YouTube is right here. Once I receive your email, I'll follow step-by-step process. Thank you so much. Looking forward to hearing from you." They were back, "Dear Allie Dawson, thank you for your response. I'm so glad that we can achieve our cooperation. Your $100 e-gift card is this. Please start your shopping." So I did. I started my shopping and I found some really, really cute clothes. And you know what's so crazy is I will not take away from what the clothes were. Yes, did I have like 2 outfits that are like 2 items that I really cannot stand, the shirt and the skirt? For sure. But other than that, I genuinely really do like what I got. I thought they're really cute products. And when I ordered them, yes, I talked about in the other video that I had some issues with one shirt being out of stock and I kept trying to purchase the other ones in that field and kept saying they're out of stock. And that's what kind of irritated me, is like their whole thing was like they're selling products on there that they don't have in stock. Either take it down from your website or write out of stock. They didn't do either, so they allowed me to purchase it and then they offered me a refund. I found that to be a little sketch, and I even talked about it in that video that I didn't really like that like portion of it, how you're advertising something you don't even have. I found that to be kind of like, ugh. But I still went with it and I emailed them back saying I just ordered my items. I had so much fun picking out my clothes. I got 9 items in the video, will be longer. I can't wait, and I think it's a great idea that you want to start an influencer program. And I talked about these 2 girls that I think that they should reach out to start an influencer program and how they can reach out to them and try to get more people to work with them, you know? It says they received my order and they're going to arrange for it to be delivered as soon as possible. Contact them if you have any questions. So that was on August 12th. On August 27th, it says, "Hey sweetie, I'm not urging you, but I want to know if you received your parcel. We look forward to the use of your clothes to make a wonderful video. The discount code is Allie15, and here are all the links." It says, "Please remember to add Oeyes to the title. We hope that your views can be found and you follow your video with the search of Oeyes." So I wrote back, "Hello, this video is completely done. It'll be up tomorrow morning. I already had the links included to each item, but thank you for the code. I'll have that listed as well." And I said, "Blank, I just wanted to email you guys. Thank you once again. Here's the video." So I did everything they'd asked me to do. I titled the video they want me to title it. I put everything in the description they asked me to put in the description. I did an unboxing. I did a try on. I talked about each and every single outfit. I did links to each and every single outfit, and I did model pictures and I showed what I look like in it along with what the models look like in it. So I went well above and beyond what was asked of me to do this video. A video that I thought I would be getting paid for. And even though I even said in this video, I was very open and honest that it was a sponsored video, I was getting paid, I was still very honest. And I even said in that video that there were some things I found very sketch about, you know, like I said earlier, like not being able to see or buying products that were out of stock. I didn't really like that, and not having any labels on the clothing. Now, I will say this company was really sweet, at least who I worked with before, when they were like, "Oh, this item's out of stock, what else can I get you?" They were really quick at responding, and I won't take away their customer service when it comes to that. And when I ordered these items, it came within a week. And I know these items ship from China, so I expected it to take a lot longer, but it came super freaking quick. And I was really, really impressed with that service. So I was really excited to keep working with this company. So after sending them that video, they wrote back, "Hi sweetie, sorry to reply this email so late. They keep calling me sweetie. First off, I'm not sweetie, my name is Allie. Address me appropriately. For some reason, I'm not in the company at this time. I will carefully watch a video you made for us this week and transfer the follow-up cost to you. It will take some time and I wonder asking for your understanding. I promise not to violate our corporate agreement. Best regards." What's this? What's this symbol? Why is that in there? So I wrote back initially going, "I understand, I have PayPal, you can send it here, I hope you like the video." But then I was at work yesterday and I was really starting to think about it, and I was like, wait a minute. I performed a job for you. I did the job that was asked of me, but I went well and beyond for this job, and now you're telling me you're gonna watch my video sometime this week and you will take your time paying me. Now, I don't know about you guys, but when I do a job, I expect to get paid the day that I do my job. Like, that's how any company works. Like, when I go to work at Disney, I get paid the day I'm working at Disney. Do I see it immediately in my bank account? No, I wait till I get my payday, but I'm still getting paid that day for my job. I did a job for you, and now you're not gonna pay me for it? You're gonna take your time paying for me, and I have to go on your word? I'm sorry. That did not sit with me. So I emailed them back. "Hello. I think I was a little too hasty in responding back so quickly. I had some time to process what you sent, and I feel I performed the service that was requested of me. I did the video as asked, put all the information in the description, and made about a 20-minute video as promised. I performed a job, and I feel like business was not done properly on your end. I don't feel comfortable with an unknown time frame of getting paid. I did my job, and I'd like to be compensated for it. My PayPal account is this. I'm understanding to a point, but I'm also not naive. So I'll give you guys until the end of the week, and if not, I'm taking the video down and replacing with a new one and detailing my experience with this. I appreciate your understanding, and I guess things are busy for you guys, but we also had a business agreement, and I fulfilled my end of it, and I think it's only fair that you fulfill yours. Sincerely, Allie Dawson. So they write back, hi, our company's financial process is a unified transfer every Monday and Tuesday. So I proposed a solution. You could take the video off the shelf first, and then we'll transfer the payment to you. You will post our video again. I'm sorry that our procedures have brought you a bad corporation experience. Best, blank. So I wrote, hello, I took the video down. This is my first sponsored video, and it's definitely put a sour taste in my mouth. I appreciate your willingness to work with me, and I will post the video if paid on Monday. I'm giving them until Monday. Sincerely, Allie. They wrote, sorry again. In fact, this is the first time we've had cooperated with a well-known blogger on YouTube. This is indeed friction in it. I would truthfully report the problems that have actually occurred and continuously to improve them. Anyway, the willingness to work with you is very strong because the videos you create are consistently recognized by all of our colleagues in the department. Sincerely. I just wrote back, I appreciate that, thank you. Like, I'm so beyond frustrated with what happened, and I did take the video down, and I've actually had some of you guys asking me where the video had gone, and this is the reason why I took it down. One, I was not paid for this video, and I was very happy with the video. I had a lot of fun making it, and like I said earlier, I do love the clothes, but I did a job for you, and now I'm not being paid for it, and I hope I don't come off as a sounding, whining little bitch, and I feel like that's exactly how I sound. I'm probably gonna get a lot of people on here who's either gonna unsubscribe from me or give me a lot of grief for doing this, but I'm just speaking my truth. And you know what, guys, I am actually rather embarrassed that my first sponsorship video has gone wrong. Like, I know that, like, in order for it to get paid, they need to see the product first, but like, I sent the video to you prior to releasing it, and then I released it, and then you want to take your time to review it and then tell me you're gonna pay me at some point in time. I talked to Corey, my best friends, and talked to people about it at work, and I was like, am I wrong for how I feel? Am I wrong to want to get paid for a video that I was promised to get paid for? And I feel like I'm not wrong. Am I wrong, babe? No, right? Like, I did a service, and I just feel very gypped, and I feel like taken advantage of because, yes, I am a small influencer, so I don't have as much push and pull as some of these bigger influencers out there. But at the end of the day, I'm still a human, and I'm still doing a job, and I deserve to get paid for it. Whether I'm a big influencer or a small influencer, I feel like I deserve to still get paid for my job. You promised me an amount, I delivered, and now you don't want to uphold your end of the bargain. And I know right now they're probably gonna get pissed off on making this video. I personally don't give a flying shit if they get pissed off about this. I'm pissed, and I really don't even care if they pay me at this point. I literally want nothing to do with them after this point. I've been nothing but kind. I've done nothing but be generous and be open to do whatever you ask me to do, try on the clothes, like do everything. And I'll never ever say that I'm not grateful for them sending me the gift card to buy the clothes. Like, I will be forever grateful for that, but I would no longer work with them anymore because of this. And this is definitely like a huge learning experience for me, and I just don't know like what to do about future projects. Like, I don't have anything lined up, but I don't know how to go about it now. Like, I feel like my first sponsorship, as excited as I was, like, I feel like it's tarnished for me, and I feel like I'm not excited, and it just sucks. Like, I really wish that this was not taken away from me, but this company wants me to do the work for them and not actually pay me for it, and it really sucks. And it sucks that I take the video down, but I'm not gonna keep giving them credit where credit's not due. Like, as much as I love the clothes, you know what? You don't deserve to have the credit from me. You guys can find somebody else to dick over. I'm not gonna be one of them. So I'm really sorry to anyone out there who feels like any sort of way about me doing this video or about me doing that video. Like, I'm really, really sorry, guys. I wanted to come on here and speak my truth because I had people ask me where that video went, and now you guys know, like, they didn't pay me for that video. I did the video and they didn't pay me for it, so I'm taking it down out of principle. Like, as much as I love that video and I loved having it up, I had such a great time with it, I took it down because of that. And if I ever do decide to re-put it up there, I will re-put it up there, but it would not be to advertise Oeyes. It'd just be to advertise a clothing company. Well, I mean, I guess it would be to advertise them, but not in the way that they want it. Does that make sense? But yeah, I'm really sorry that I had to make this video. Like I said, it's really embarrassing and it sucks, and I hate having to do this, but like I don't know what else to do. I always told you guys I was going to be honest and transparent, and this was a sponsorship that has gone wrong for me. Supposed to get 120 bucks out of it. I got nothing, and you know, some people might find that as whining and bitching, but I feel like I did a job and I didn't get paid for it, and that's really shitty. And I definitely recommend any of my other fellow influencers out there, if you guys get contacted by a company called Oeyes, don't work with them, or if you do, make sure it's written in contract. I didn't have anything written in contract, and that's why I made my first mistake, was not having anything done and written in contract, where they had to sign it, I had to sign it. It says, this is our agreement, this is when you're gonna pay me. I should have done those steps, but you know what, this is a learning process for me, and it's a huge lesson learned, and I'm gonna definitely take any future projects or anything that comes my way with definitely a different mindset going into the next one. So I'm really sorry that I had to make this video, guys, and I apologize for that video, and I'm sorry. But I wanted to let you guys know what was going on, because I'm never going to hide anything from you guys, and yeah, I have nothing else to say about it other than I'm sorry. So, I would say I hope you guys like this video and give it a thumbs up, but I don't really know. But other than that, I just want to say I'm sorry. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye!